their facts, and court shall be moved to strike out the said process. The first respondent's nomination and certificate. The alleged inconsistency proved by the petitioner.
Expired in court on 20th of August 2021.
All of them in this form because I have to exclude the one for 12 hours.
Talked about in the affidavit. A return form for transmission of results. Look at it. Are you the one who got 4,831 votes?
That's why the second respondent gave me. I'm the one.
Then the first respondent, Kayondo Fred, got 26,512 votes.
I contested that in court.
Is it true, according to this form, that he got that?
I contested the results of this parliament election. That's why. Yes.
Your counsel can help you.
No, it's okay. It's my affidavit, and it's me who drew it. When you look at paragraph 13, you see the first respondent bribing people.
I'm talking about this particular form.
I'm trying to show you how these results were reached onto that it was fraudulent. That's why we caught.
Of the figures. Court, yes, court that is what much of life.
Also, those figures were reached onto paragraph 32, where the first respondent wrote an empty box, so it influenced the figures that some my voters didn't vote, and then they are blaming voters.
It's a pre-election matter, yes or no?
No.
With nomination requirements came to your knowledge after the elections, is it true?
Yes,
After nomination, any registered voter in a constituency is at liberty to inspect the register, the documents at the returning officer's office. Are you aware? The symbol of National Unity Platform is an umbrella. The first respondent, is this one of the posters which was used to campaign for him?
No, that posters was the person was mine.
Is it his poster?
Yes, it is.
You're not taking my advice. You're going to stop listening. Take my advice. Answer the question. Answer the question.
That the people power movement came to exist before National Unity Platform.
It is true because the National Unity Platform came out of people power.
Mr. Miller, you don't answer my question. If you go into matters of profit or service.
I can't remember him now.
In paragraph 32, you have David. Yes. You said that the second respondent delivered an open black box containing ballot papers. Is that correct?
Yes. And there was chaos because of that.
Did your agent say that anywhere in this petition?
My agents were reporting to me, then I report the returning officer, and that's why I said it here.
No. Did your agent at this particular polling station mention that?
No.
Conducted during the COVID-19 period where there were restrictions and adherence to SOPs? Yes.
And the candidate who has a single
Yes. And then his adversary is a candidate with a home. Do you think this court will believe with this affidavit of yours that the candidate who had a home confused the voters to vote in his favor with a hope, yet he was campaigning for an umbrella? Do you believe this court will believe your evidence? It may. So, Luyimbazi David, his presence in court makes him an agent of the first respondent, yes or no?
Yes. I'm not sure here, but others were standing there.
Is there a police officer who
They are right here.
have you understood the question?
So every support is an agent.
Re-examination will be done tomorrow at 9 a.m. We have reasons to jubilate in the preliminaries. This is a simple case where there is nothing like good evidence to prove contrary to our client's victory. And indeed, I can give a good message to the supporters of my client, Honorable Kayondo, that there is no reason as to why you should worry. Your leader's victory cannot be vitiated whatsoever. They have nothing. The affidavits have no evidence of value. I thank you. Speak for themselves. Omugole bw'abanyumye ne bw'otamuyimbirira nti onyumye abanyumye gwe tolaba nti akasango kaabwe kanafu nnyo kwagala kutuwa tutumu lya bwereere obujulizi bwa lusuluuju ne bw'otabunyeenya buyiika mwe temukiraba sova temulaba nti tubali bubi tuba tudde ku lubuto tubayiribya katukomewo enkya tulabe mwe mulamuzi atuwadde enkya tukomewo twongere era basoya mpaka lwe tunaabaggusa temuli nsonga ya mugo ge mazima tewali
As it was ordered by the Court of Appeal. So today the petitioner was cross-examined. It was a shame to the National Unity Platform, whereby a candidate who wanted to become a member of parliament is presenting issues on hearsays that I was told. It is a shame that a member of parliament doesn't know that to prove bribery, you must bring evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. Is a NUP candidate for Mukono South. It is a shame that a member of parliament can stand to witness hearsays, a member of parliament at that level. So I call upon NUP in Uganda to come to Mukono South and rescue its image. Otherwise, the candidate is defaming, is shaming a party. We expect that it is moving at a very high speed. It is a shame to the parliamentary materials. It is a shame to National Unity Platform. It is a shame to the people who stood for members of parliament. Because when you look at a candidate standing before court and cannot prove that bribery must be proved beyond reasonable doubts, and you are basing on hearsays, it is a shame to the people of Mukono South. In fact, I feel like this own in my district. If such people are in my district, and we are here wasting resources simply because somebody cannot defend what he said.
What do you think?
The country has witnessed that these are cooked witnesses. That you fail even to get a witness from the constituency you stood in, and then you are saying, I imported a witness who is not even a registered voter, and import that witness to a constituency, and you are still bringing people here because most of the witnesses are not registered voters. They are just imported from one constituency to another because these are people who are shameless. They don't have families to be ashamed for. They don't have relatives. So you have to import somebody who is shameless to go to a different constituency. It is a shame.
Kubadde kubuuza bibuuzo balooya okusinziira kwa affidavits supporting petitions bateekamu tugezezaako okulaga kooti batatuukiriza oba obutali butuufu bwa affidavits obwo tugezezaako obulaga kooti kasita tutuukawo kiswa tukirekera kooti kuti ebesalawo ngera bweba kiba tekikola kituufu wasi kituufu
of their affidavits, of their evidence, yes, to show court the lacunas. But that is what we have done in re-examination, and court will determine at the end of the day what is the truth.
Do you still feel that what was submitted is still taking you through?
Yes, because the election petition is not made on only one ground, several grounds.
Okay.
Oh, he's kept it. Unless you expand it, you don't have to. He has to keep it.